15 habits that can keep you young forever. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Get enough sleep to allow your body to repair and regenerate overnight. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays with sunscreen, hats, and clothing. Use anti-aging products that contain ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption to prevent premature aging. Eat a healthy diet rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients. Exercise regularly to improve circulation and maintain a healthy weight. Take care of your teeth and gums to prevent oral health problems that can age your appearance. Manage stress through relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Practice good skincare habits, such as cleansing, moisturizing, and exfoliating regularly. Avoid using hot water on your skin, which can strip it of its natural oils and cause dryness and wrinkles. Get regular facials or massages to improve circulation and promote skin health. Avoid using harsh chemicals or products that can irritate your skin and cause inflammation. Get regular checkups with your doctor to stay on top of any health concerns that could affect your appearance.